What up, Internet?
Hey there, camera!
How are y'all doing?
Do you like our very Canadian outfits? All the plaid. Although I guess to be truly Canadian, you should be wearing the Canadian tux. And if you don't know what that is, it's head to toe basically denim jacket, denim shirt, denim pants.
I am wearing blue jeans.
I'm not. Today we're dressed up in theme because we are trying some Canadian IPAs.
IPAs are probably my fave in the beer world.
I like sours a lot. I like stouts a lot. I could go for an IPA right now though.
Hoppy.
These are not all IPAs, that should be clear. Some of them are APAs.
This one says it's a hoppy red ale.
But they're all hoppy beers, so if they're not all IPAs in name, then they are at least all hoppy Canadian.
Yeah. Got those hops
ales.
Flavors.
Yeah.
We've got the Jurassic IPA from Cameron's.
And Cameron's is from Oakville, Ontario, which is nearby. We have the Nicklebrook Headstock IPA. It is from Burlington, so really close to Oakville there.
Canoehead, Mr.Canoehead, just a hoppy red ale. Thunder Bay.
Then we've got our faithful Great Lakes Brewery Canuck Ale from Toronto, I believe.
If I can't spot that one by taste, then I'll be embarrassed, because I probably drink that more than any other beer.
You and I combined make up this little cartoon guy right here, though. I've got the toque, you've got the shirt. Where are you hiding your axe? And the last guy here is a Mill Street, which is also from Toronto, Hopped and Confused Volume 2. I like how all of these are very Canadian-themed covers. Like this one here has a bear, and I think the beaver is asking for directions with this map, which is pretty magical. Yeah. And then we've got the lumberjack guy on his log. We've got the Canoehead guy.
Canoehead, once a mild-mannered insurance salesman, who one day, while portaging his aluminum canoe in Algonquin Park, was suddenly hit by a giant bolt of lightning.
By lightning! You were hit by lightning!
And had the canoe welded to his head.
You're right! It's stuck to your head!
And so began the story of Mr. Canoehead,
Canada's greatest aluminum crime fighter.
brother of Ted.
There's a comedy troupe, The Frantics, I believe, or the show might have been called Four on the Floor, and they had a sketch about a guy that went around with a canoe in his head.
You know, at some point Canada probably looked like this, so there you go. Anyway, we're gonna do pretty much the same type of thing we do. We try out the beers.
In this week's edition of Stumbling Tourist. I feel more confident about this, because I've had all of these before, except this one.
No, I think I got you that one in a Christmas countdown before. Your memory about it will be hazy.
Yeah.
I should point out at the beginning,
I might
too,
just be hopped and confused.
one of these is a red ale. This one right there.
Yeah, I was just...
Color-wise, I'm not quite sure, yeah. Anyway, you want to start at that end, and I'll start at this end, and kanpai.
Kanpai. Cheers.
Ooh. Nutty on the nose. Ooh.
That's delicious.
Yeah, this is delicious, too. It doesn't taste red.
That's slightly less hoppy than I expected.
That's very hoppy. Ooh, this smells so citrusy. Ooh, that's very strong hop flavor. During the first version of lockdown in Canada, we did purchase Cameron's from the brewery itself and had it delivered to our door. A lot of these beers you can have delivered to your door in Ontario. We live in a place where you can get a lot of wine and stuff delivered. So maybe we should do a wine tasting video, because we live in the heart of like wine country.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's very tame. That one smacks you in the face with the hops, eh? That guy?
Yeah, I agree with you. I think that is the Cameron's. I
Yeah.
remember that having like a
Very strong.
more of a kick than some of them. The three on the end though, or I guess the beginning from the Cameras, the first three, they're very similar.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, that's quite delicious.
I started with the two best ones, I feel. Yeah, I think it's pretty safe to say I like this one the best.
Sorry, being very slow and nom 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 nom.
Which one's your favorite?
I think I'm going to say this one. It's not too hoppy. These two are incredibly similar. I could kind of flip a coin, I guess, in terms of whether I would lean one way or the other.
Can I guess first this time?
Sure,
I think
yeah.
you guessed first last time.
Yeah, I think so.
I definitely think this guy over here has to be Cameron's. Definitely think the first one has to be the Canoehead. I'm gonna have to go through these one more time. Does it smell like a sweaty lumberjack? Or somebody playing at Woodstock? That one leaves me a little hopped and confused.
Oh.
Okay. I'm gonna go Canuck Headstock And hopped and confused is the last one. And to cleanse my palate, I have my Kieran off screen.
Good thinking.
We're not alcoholics. This is 1 day a week, I swear. At most. A month.
We space them out. What percent is this?
You're doing my little trick. Yeah, what are those percentages? The last three?
I remember Headstock being kind of strong. Unless that's cheap. That's one that's been around
Oh,
for
it's
forever.
7%.
Yeah,
Holy
that's what I
crud.
thought. This has to be the red one because it's red. And this is the hoppiest, which I remember Cameron's being hoppy, so I completely agree with you. And because this is like a lighter percent, I think it's the less kicky one.
Copycat. You better switch those two.
I'm going to switch these two. I'm pretty sure that my favorite... I'm pretty sure I recognize the taste of Canuck because I've had it so often. Although these two are very, very similar.
Listen to the whispers of your plaid. Does it tell you anything? Much beer. I'm going to read the bottoms because the bottoms are getting so confused in terms of writing because we've done this so many times. But let's start with my side, I guess.
Start with the red ale.
Yeah.
Is it the red ale?
It says can. Yes, that means canoe. So we both got that right, obviously. Number 2 here, we have head. We have headstock. So this is actually this guy.
Oh.
Oddly enough. I guess we should put them in front.
So what we're confusing for hoppiness is beer strength.
Yeah, exactly. So we got that wrong. Number 3, we have Jurassic. And then we have Great Lakes, which is the Canuck.
Yeah.
You can be proud of that.
I'm pretty proud.
Which
So
means
by
we probably got the last
process of
one right.
elimination,
Yeah.
it has to be
I was
right.
gonna lift up the can and read the bottom. The smarty I am. It says hopped. Yeah, so hopped and confused. So you got 3, which might be a record for you.
Have I even ever won this?
I don't know. We'll have to go back to the footage. Yeah, I feel like I've won it too many times, and you always say it's because I cheat. These are great beers. We'll enjoy drinking them for the rest of today, tomorrow, the rest of the week. Well, that tells us what we should be buying in our next lockdown. Probably just this, and avoiding the LCBO and COVID.
And our local Cameron man is really nice, and he was like, order directly through me, and I haven't taken him up on it yet. But
We
it's
will.
probably about that time.
Hey, Camerons, do you want to just give us a bunch of related beers that we could taste and promote? That would be great. Thanks. Let us know, though, too. We have, I don't know, like 100 wineries around us. We could probably get some of those sample cases sent to our door and maybe do a bit more of like a local Niagara wine taste test. We're not connoisseurs, as you obviously know from watching this.
Oh.
But just to change it up a bit, given that we live in a place that's just full of wine.
We both love Baco Noir.
Baco Noir is my favorite.
So we should probably compare various places, the local Bacos.
Yeah, we could. So thank you so much for watching, camera, and people inside the camera.
Click the like and the subscribe.
And also let us know, do you like hoppy beers? Are you a hops fan? Because I know a lot of people that really just don't like IPAs or APAs or hoppy things in general.
You tend to love them or hate them.
So thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.
Yeah, let us know what you want us to drink in other drinky, stumbly
or
corners.
Or do, or stumble, or
Yeah.
take luck. Stay safe.
Peace out. Merry Christmas.
It has been said that Canada is the only country in the world that knows how to live without an identity. Beer doesn't help much, from the fiercely irresponsible and stereotypical image on the front of the can, to the distinctly American-style beer inside it. We've really made a mess of things. What have we done? Sorry.